Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for files now. So I'm going to create the subroutine first, but before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Do it now before you forget. Okay, thanks for doing that. Okay, let's get on with the video. So create the first subroutine and we're going to call it search folder. Okay, and we're going to create a path. So I'm going to use my desktop here. So my path is going to be equal to C : users mark desktop. So this is the path to my desktop. It won't be the path to your desktop, so you will have to find the path to your desktop, because if you type this in, this will not work on your computer. So find the desktop path for your own personal computer. Okay, we're going to use chdr change directory. So we want to change to that directory path there. Okay. Right, now we're going to print something for the user to read, and it's simply enter file to search. Now I'm going to search for a txt file that I've already created on my desktop, and the next one is my scalar entry. It's going to be equal to standard input, so the user will type in the name of the file, the full path, the full name of the file, sorry. Okay, and then that's going to be chomp. That's going to be scalar entry. Okay, and here comes the magic part. Files here is going to be equal to glob. And then we're going to have a wildcard type search here. And then we're going to have to do a conditional, and we're going to have to search for this. So we're going to use grep. So grep, and then we're going to use, whoa, what was in there? Then we're going to use this to iterate over it. The entry, sorry, made a mistake there, equals scalar entry. Okay, made a little bit of an error. It should have been a curly bracket like that. Curly braces at files. Okay, and then let's just make this look a little bit neater, shall we? Okay. So we're going to print something out to the user. So print the scalar entry, what you typed in there, found. Let's see if we find it. Or else, if we don't find it, we're going to have to use the else statement here. We're going to have to print a message to the user telling the user we haven't found that particular file. Print scalar entry not found. Okay, now we're just going to call the program search folder. I already created search folder. I already created this on my desktop. I created a file on my desktop, so let's just do that. Let's just run that. Search for files. So my file is called search.txt. Okay, search txt found. Okay, let's run something else that I don't have. So eee.txt. Not found. Okay. Let's have a look. Let me go back to that. Let's run it again. X found. So X here wasn't a file. X was a folder, so it will search for folders as well. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do it now, and hit that bell notification as well, so you'll get to know when my videos come out, and you'll never miss a video. So I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.